Hindi ko alam paano sa start ng episode na to. Ang daming bago. Ba't tawa ka na tawa? Wala
Kasi
pa nga.
tawa ng tawa. Wala eh. Pagkatabi kita, hindi ka pa nagsasalita, natatawa na ako.
Gusto ko yung pumalapak lahat. Palakpakan! Ano?
He?
Okay.
Ang dali pa sunurin ang Legendatics natin. Okay, go Papi.
I love it because the energy in the room
Yeah.
is so good. Tapos, a lot of firsts. It's the first time na meron tayong live audience here sa Lecheng Pag-ibig to. And hopefully we're gonna get to do more of this. Para yung mga Lechenatics natin, you guys can also participate in the podcast. If you have questions or may pinagdadaanan kayo similar to what our guests or what we talk about have been going through, it would be nice if you are here. So, first time na may live audience.
First time
Lovely.
may live audience, tapos ang swerte pa nila kasi may guest tayo for
Na-
today.
Exactly yung timing
can
kasi.
I just say, pwede kayong magtanong ha? Pwede kayong comment, just raise your hand. We'll go to you just in case meron kayong questions sa mga guests natin ngayon na kasama rin din natin dito sa TPN.
Correct.
Co-podcasters natin sila. They're hosting the Say What podcast. Pinakikinggan ko yung ilan sa mga apps nila. Karamihan, halos same ng tinatackle natin na topic. Kasi
Life.
ka-era natin to eh.
Of course.
Millennial era din sila.
As a matter of fact, I've known them maybe for over 15 years.
Tagal na. Oo. Yung isang babae dito talagang before pa kilala ko na dahil sa Games of Late Live. I don't know kung inabot nyo yung era na yun. Search nyo na lang sa YouTube. And then nandito sila ngayon as Tita Besties and the host of Say What podcast. Ladies and gents, let us all welcome, of course. Guys, kayo na bahala.
Abby Assis, John
Abby
G.
and G!
Canlas.
Hi, everybody.
Grabe.
Say hi to our
guys.
listeners and
Hello,
viewers.
hello.
We're so glad to be here.
Sorry,
Thanks,
yung-
Abby and G.
For the
Yung
Lechenatics.
palakpakan kasi first time namin ginagawa to. Ayaw namin ng take 2. So talaga kahit yung mga palakpakan.
Wala kami.
Palakpakan!
Oh, ito Guys, ganun sa podcast namin Pag meron lang ayaw yung guest, yun lang ang tinatanggal namin.
Correct.
Pero lahat, retain
Ito na
to.
yun.
Palakpakan
Okay.
ulit.
Yeah.
Okay. Abby G, mag-hello muna kayo sa mga viewers and listeners natin.
Hi, guys. Thank you for having us here. Salamat. And I'm G. Canlas, and this is also...
Abby Asisio. So we're excited for our Lecheng Pag-ibig conversation.
Feels.
I'm already guessing this might be a 2-part episode. Because
Baka nga 3 parts, sa dami ng chikahan natin. Oo.
off-air pa lang, before we started recording, ang dami na natin pinag-uusapan.
Yeah.
But before we get to the episode, if you like the podcast, make sure you click like, subscribe. Kasi the more you like, the more you subscribe. Yun yung budget namin para sa mga guests namin. No?
Para may panghanda tayo
Oo,
dito.
para-
BB Go, thank you so much.
So these are dumplings. Para may budget kami. So ganun yon. Like, subscribe. We're on YouTube and Spotify. Let's get to it. Abby and G, you guys have been best friends for 19?
Yeah, 19
Grabe,
years.
tagal na.
I know.
But correct me if I'm wrong. There was a part na nag-break kayo.
Break!
Tama ba? Is that the right term?
Oo.
Pag-beshies? FO?
Nag-FO, friendship
Friendship.
over.
Talaga?
Yeah, that was actually one of our episodes. The second ep, I think. Yeah.
Say
Oo.
what?
Because
Okay.
I knew them. They're always together. Tapos at one point, parang, hindi na sila nagsasama.
Tsaka yung FO namin, enemies.
Enemies.
As
It's
in,
not-
hate level.
It's not, it's not even yung parang bad trip ako sa kanya. Hindi like, I hate your face. Like, I wanna rip off your skin. Yung
Grabe
gano'n.
naman.
Can we talk about that? When was that? Ano nangyari?
Ano siya, 2000... Hindi, 2011. I was supposed to...
Okay na kami ngayon, guys.
Lalaki ba?
ha?
Lalaki ba may kasalanan?
Hindi ko
Can I just ask, lalaki ba may kasalanan?
Hindi, trabaho.
Oh, wow.
Trabaho.
Okay.
Trabaho.
Oh, game.
Na mababaw na ngayon pag
Mababaw.
iisipin mo, pero wala nung
Oo,
time.
Ano
na
nga?
yun.
2011,
Ano nangyari?
2011, let's go.
Okay, so everyone, I don't know, at that time kasi, I mean, Amazing Race was the show everyone
Correct.
wanted to be in. So kami ni Abby, Say What, the podcast that we had, actually had a YouTube show before. 2008 pa lang.
It's a
Okay.
comedy sketch show. So, Nene days namin, nagko-comedy
Speedy G.
kami. Speedy
Yes.
G.
I remember.
Abibay.
Abibay, correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that was 2008. And then kind of like to level up the show, sabi namin, mag-audition tayo for Amazing Race. So nung nag-audition kami for Amazing Race, saktong-sakto to, nagkaroon ng recording deal.
Yeah. Someone was willing to produce my album, ima-manage ako. Pero nakuha na tayo ng Amazing Race.
nakuha na kami.
Asia.
Pasok na Asia. Yeah,
Yes.
and that's a big
Sa
thing.
audition. Pero top 3, hindi kami nasama.
Oo.
Hindi kami yung final
Nilipat
na
kami sa
napili.
Singapore.
Oo, sabi, hindi kayo napili dyan, what about sa Amazing Race Philippines?
Okay.
So, nung time na yon, I had an opportunity to do my music. So I'm a singer-songwriter also.
She's a
yun yung
great
mga-
singer, by the way.
Yes.
Oh, thank you so
Yes.
much. Pero yun, nagsisimula pa lang ako. Tapos may willing mag-produce. Sabi, we need you here. Ano yung Amazing Race? Hindi pwede.
Pasok sa branding.
Oo, hindi pasok sa
Oo.
what we want for you.
And that was the dream. To
That
be
was
a
my
performer.
dream.
So until now, that's what you're doing.
Yes, so I'm still pursuing it now. But at that
Grabe yun.
time,
Whatever you're gonna do, you get a break. Pero the other break is the dream you've always wanted to have. Pero
Yeah.
may madadamay in the line.
Damay yung isa.
So,
so parang yung, at that time, hindi ko pa kaya na sabay. Kasi hindi pa rin ako sure sa sarili ko and path ko. So feeling ko dapat mamili lang ako. Pinapili ako nung management. So wag daw ako
Sino na-drop?
Ayun na nga. Kaya,
Ayun na nga.
Can we go back to that?
Amazing Race. So I was like, kasi ako I'm a very, I would like to think in a good way, competitive person. So yung Amazing Race to me was my dream. Parang it's like, wow, ang saya nun, yung aayusin yung obstacles
This was
just for you.
everybody's dream. Aminin
Diba?
natin. Diba?
It's like, oh, it's not even about, yes, the money, pero in my head, like, wow, I mean, it's such an honor to be there. So sabi
bonding
ko,
experience
bonding,
for us.
oo. So sabi ko, nagsisimula lang yung say what, exposure yun for our show, experience for the both of us. How can you say no?
And aminin natin ha. Ito, I'm not gonna be afraid to say this. Si Rovilson tsaka Mark Nelson, dyan yumaman.
Yeah.
Alam nyo, kilala ko kayong dalawa. Mayaman pa rin kayo. Ang dami yung pera dahil dyan.
Tsaka na-solidify yung ano rin nila.
Tandem
talaga,
nila.
tandem
Lahat
nila.
ng hosting, hindi ko kinukuha. Sila lang kinukuha ng time na yon. I had to work 10 times harder because of you guys.
Pero,
Bullshit.
pero mas mayaman ka na daw ngayon sa kanila.
Balik tayo sa
okay.
podcast natin.
Pero
Okay.
question, kasi sabi ni G, yun yung dream mo eh. Pero the question is, yun ba ang dream mo? Gusto mo rin ba siya? Na kasing
Yeah.
gusto ni G during that time?
Oh, yun yung naging conflict. Kasi, it was something nice for me to do, but it wasn't the thing. The dream. Yeah. So, it was hard kasi ako naman, people pleaser ako nung time na yon. Siya, very strong personality na. So, even breaking it to her was very difficult for me.
I want to go back to the
How
what,
did
text.
you say
Yeah, text a phone call. How did this go?
Oo.
Remind me. Let's go
Text
back.
pa dati.
So sa
After they
inyong
call-
dalawa pala, ikaw yung mas sweet, eto yung mas palaban.
Oo.
Halata
Nung
naman,
una,
halata
ngayon medyo
naman.
nagkaka-backbone na
Tayo.
tayo. Good job.
Backbone na. Tapos ako naman medyo mas lumalambot. Parang
Nagsosoften.
nagsosoften.
Pero nung time na yon, kasi dati iniisip ko pag si G, medyo may sense of ano din sa partnership namin. Yung kailangan ito yung mangyari. Parang we're gonna do Amazing Race. It's gonna be great. Yung parang, but wait lang, I'm kinda,
What you want.
I wanna do this. So nung tinawagan ko siya, ganun na, yung hindi ko
This
masabi.
is a phone call.
It was a phone call.
Okay.
Tapos very, kasi ano
Na-sense mo na may something.
tapos siya parang ano yun, ganon.
Ako,
Ganun.
naiirita ako kasi parang get to the point.
Oo.
Like, why are you, like,
Ganyan na ganyan asawa ko. Pag sa babe, anong gusto mo sabihin sa akin?
Paano naman kasi
lalabas ka na naman?
Ang tanong, paano mag-get to the point, nagsusungit ka na nga daw agad?
Oo.
Nasabi mo ba? O siya na
Nasabi ko.
sinabi mo sa
nulaan na niya?
text.
Sa text, tawag muna.
Tawag. Tapos
Okay.
binabaan ko ng phone.
Binabaan niya ako
What
ng
was the
phone.
exact words? Naalala mo pa?
I don't think I could do Amazing Race.
And then binabaan mo na?
No,
After
sabi ko, I don't remember the exact words, pero I was so like, edi, whatever. Like, okay, define. Parang
Yung
ganun.
speed talk niya,
Yan. Nabigyan ka.
at
Ay, sabi ko
kasi
na siya,
ano,
mag-speed ako, di ba? Sa mo,
Paano
na
ayun?
amazing face.
Yun.
Tsaka
Hindi na ako muna tawagan, di ba?
ayan, binigyan ako ng, how could you do this to me? Yung mga ganyan.
Grabe. Pang-asawa nga.
Okay,
Pang-jowa.
okay.
Itong mga ganito.
Pero may parts, but what about what I want?
Jowa levels!
Nakakainis.
Hindi, ito na. Ito ang jowa levels breakup na friendship.
Okay, okay.
Text. Sabi ko, so, babaan ng phone. Ito yung pinaka, in my opinion, mic drop text. Because I was like, if you're not gonna do Amazing Race with me, then forget we were ever friends.
Grabe. Meron
Shit.
pa.
I just have to say
May
this.
reply ka?
Shit.
O
May reply
kasunod?
ako, syempre, na rin ako
Mainit ka na rin.
Mainit din ako. Ganun ba?
Oh.
We were never friends. So say what never happened. Sabi ko, wait lang. Ako nagha-handle ng channel sa YouTube. Delete!
Hindi man lang tinago yung account, delete agad?
Hindi, kunyari dinelete
Okay,
ko.
okay,
Hindi ko
okay,
sinabi
okay.
sa kanya na hinahid ko lang naman.
Oo,
In-archive
oo.
ko lang.
Pero ang dating sa akin, dinelete niya lahat.
So,
Sabi kasi
lalo
niya
ka
eh.
nagwala.
Nagwal. As in, sabi ko talaga, yung parang, alam mo, imagine nyo to, nasa gilid ng kama madilim. Tapos, oh my God, she didn't.
And
Papatayin
super
ko
bagets
to.
yun yan.
Oo.
Immature
Immature
days,
years
right?
ago.
Immature,
Pero
yeah.
syempre parang ko, ganun na. Kaya ko rin naman gumanti
So
dun
wait,
sa
after
patext
nung na-delete, ano nangyari? Wala na, talagang yun na, FO na.
Kasi ako, the way I'm mad at someone, and I worked through this over the years, burado ka talaga sa akin. Like I'm not gonna be bitter in the sense na alam mo bakit ganito? I'm not gonna try and figure it out.
You're indifferent.
Indifferent burado. Like
Mas
you could be in
masakit
the
yun.
same room with me and I'll be like, dito tatagos.
Alam mo, if you really want to hurt someone,
Pero di ba mas
sorry.
It
It sounds so
with you
bad.
on that.
This sounds so
Mas
bad.
okay yun kaysa makikita mo, magpaplastikan kayo kahit di mo naman
Hindi.
talaga gusto.
Alam mo, mas masakit, always sa magkaaway, yung kaaway mong indifferent na sa'yo. Hindi nagre-reply, hindi ka pinapansin. Kasi alam mo, pag galit kasi, I think, the person still has feelings. Galit pa, may emotions pa dyan eh. That means you still care about the person. But once you're indifferent to someone,
That's
that
it.
shows you don't even exist in this world. I don't care
That's it.
about you.
So how did you take it?
Ganun
Record
din.
ng album.
Ladida. Nag-record ng
Gumawa ng kanta about nasirang friendship.
nag-record ng album tapos hindi naman din nag-pan out lahat ng plano ng mga
Hindi
yun
nag-pan
to.
out.
Oo, pero na-release ko pa rin. I mean, it was a good milestone for me. Pero nag-end yung management, yung
May ano
label.
ka ba? Parang nagsisisi ka ba? Pag binabalikan mo yun. What
Actually,
could have
hindi
been kung
eh.
hindi pa rin?
Hindi.
Oo.
Tinanong din niya ako eh. Kasi for me, it played a part in how strong our it played a part in how strong our friendship is now. Na parang napagdaanan na namin yon. And it
Ganda.
also led me, dun yung time na, kasi I'm an alopecia awareness advocate. So in 2012, yun din, kaya rin kami nag-hate. Kasi may
Oh,
nakarating
yeah.
sa akin na sinabi siya about my alopecia journey. Nag-come out na ako na kalbo pala ako because of my alopecia. So, meron akong concert na sasabihin ko na sa mga tao, I'm wearing a wig lang. I wrote this song for alopecia awareness. Ang nakarating dito, nung Amazing Race Asia kasi, ang concern ko is, parang ayoko ata mag-Amazing Race kasi yung wig ko baka lumipad.
Mahulog,
Paano ako mag-underwater?
Hindi ka pa ready that
Oo,
time.
paano ako mag-adventure? So, nung mag-alopecia, na ako, kung ano-ano daw sinasabi niya na,
Backstabbing.
akala ko ba, ayaw niyang magpakita ng buhok.
Kasi
ayaw niyang
sobrang
ganyan.
salungat eh. Kumbaga parang sinasabi sa akin nung time na yun, what if pag mag-zipline tayo tapos matanggal yung wig? Tapos,
Oo.
mamaya yung buhok nandun sa South China si yung buhok.
You knew that she
Okay.
had alopecia before she came out with it.
Yeah, before
But
she...
you guys were
Never
best friends.
saw my head.
Oo.
Oh.
No, at one point, you were like,
Nabigla lang
Nabigla.
kasi pumasok ka bigla sa kwarto ko. Magkapit-bahay kami. Magkapit-bahay na ba tayo?
oo,
nun?
nung
Oo.
time na yun. Pero like, sinasabi niya nung time na yun na ayaw niya nga ma-reveal.
Correct, of
So I
course.
had to respect it kahit kunwari masama yung loob ko. I had to respect it. Tapos biglang all of a sudden, magre-reveal ka. So,
Nang full-on kalbo ka na.
Where
For
was
the
it?
album.
for the,
Well, it's not for the album. It was for
For the
ano,
awareness.
no, yeah, for,
the
the
advocacy.
song. It
For
was just
Beautiful.
for your song,
Kasi,
yeah.
but the song was about really completely accepting myself na and showing everybody
Of
na
course.
it's not a limitation.
May
I
ganyan
perfect
pala ako, by the
para
way.
dun
I'm
sa
also
yes.
an
Oh, yeah,
alopecia patient ba? Ano ba? Hindi tayo patient
Warrior?
eh. Yeah,
Hindi naman
warrior.
patient.
Yeah.
Yeah, but so we have a community now for alopecia. But yun, it came back to me that she's been talking about my alopecia
This was
awareness
after how
campaign.
many years after the breakup?
Like a year.
Oo,
No.
mga
May
ganon.
ganyan
And then
ka
may
pa. After a year na breakup na walang pansin, may sinasabi ka pa. Hindi pa
hindi-
tayo tapos, ha?
Yeah, pero hindi
Din
naman.
ako from her.
Ano naman daw sinasabi niya?
Ano sinabi ko?
Hindi kasi alam mo, can I just say,
Yung
iba kasi
balikan
talaga,
yan.
iba ang mga babae. Pag nag-aaway, ang mga lalaki, pag nag-aaway, ang mga lalaki magkakaibigan, tahimik lang kayo, di ba? Pag nagpe-friendship overan
Magkakamurahan
kayo.
kami either way.
No! Mas tahimik ang mga
Oh, but
lalaki. Hindi
after
kayo
that, wala na.
confrontational.
Wala na,
Bigla
no.
na lang silang FO tayo.
Hindi. Tsaka ma-vent kasi. Siyempre, alam mo
oo.
naman, I can't keep
Iba yung
this
emotions
all to
ng
myself.
babae.
Okay.
Parang, may sinasabi ka sa akin, tekang, ayaw mo mabaing yan.
Which you
Ano
said.
naman sinabi
what you
niya?
said.
Ano
What
nakarating
you say?
sa'yo?
To be honest, it's all blurry already.
Pero ano yung natatandaan mo?
You know, yung mga maliliit na quirks na, ayan, bungangera, ayan, strong-willed, ayan, you know, like mga ganun lang character.
Pero may sinabi ka nga talagang ganon.
Baka.
Palaban na rin talaga siya ngayon, pare.
I don't remember.
Oo.
Maybe I said that
Maybe.
somewhere. I don't remember right
Hindi,
now.
sinasabi ko na, ayan naman si Gazelle, pangalan niya.
Ah.
Si Gazelle, kung ano lang gusto niya, yun naman
Yun,
nasusunod.
Yung
eh.
masusunod.
Kung ano gusto
Oo.
niya. Ayun, may sinasabi ka pa, what Gazelle,
Controlling.
yun, may
Controlling.
sinasabi ka, what Gazelle wants, Gazelle gets. May
Oo,
gumagaya.
mga ganyan.
So parang,
Pero out of bitterness
oo,
din.
so nung narinig,
Kinonfront mo siya?
No,
Hindi
never.
na, dead
Never.
na talaga.
Different siya eh.
no, and it was more of like, kasi we share one friend group.
Okay.
So, syempre, kawawa.
Paparitingin dun sa
Oo,
isang
kawawa
friend.
yung mga friends kasi naiipit.
Naiipit,
Wait
pero
lang, kung
may mga kabarkada din na
sulsulero.
gatongera.
Wait lang, kung may
sabi ni ganyan, sabi ni
isang
ganyan.
group friend kayo, paano yun pag magkikita-kita lahat? May isang moment.
Divided yung time.
Okay. So may
Damn.
times ikaw kasama nila,
Yeah.
tapos minsan siya.
I don't hang out.
Pero friends nyo pa rin itong mga to?
Yes,
Okay.
friends
Same
pa rin.
Sila
hang
din
out with
tumulong
her.
para maging okay kayo?
Hindi, yung because of the alopecia, she reached out.
Nung ano na.
Ay, ikaw pa nag-reach out. So you
Oo.
came out of the
So coming
alopecia.
from everything that I heard,
Uh-huh.
parang fine. It's a new chapter for me. I'm letting go of all the fears and doubts with
Uh-huh.
alopecia. I also don't want any hatred and bitterness in my heart.
Did you say
maybe
sorry?
maybe I should invite my ex-friend
Yeah.
to So message ko na siya. Sabi ko, I'm
Okay.
doing something very special. It would be great if you could
To which you replied,
Malambot ka na nun?
Ako kasi, may sinasabi kami sa show wag mo akong casualin. Wag mo akong casualin.
Ano ibig sabihin ng
yung
wag mo akong
didiretso
casualin?
ka kaagad dun sa okay tayo.
kung
Pag-usapan
as if
natin.
nothing
Yeah.
happened. As if nothing happened.
Kasi gusto ko
yung
ng
I hate
YouTube
that.
I hate that. Pag-usapan muna natin and then let's both decide how we're gonna move forward.
Alam mo,
But sometimes there are issues na casually na lang natin.
Pwede naman
diba?
yun.
Can I just
Oo.
say, mga lalaki, no? Since ako lang lalaki
Ayaw mo na
dito.
kinakasual
Hindi,
ka
gusto
rin?
nila
Hindi.
yun.
Hindi. Yung mga lalaki, gusto namin normally, no? Is, sige na, hindi na, no need to talk about it. Palipasin na natin. Let's move on with life
Yeah.
without, there's a word for that, processing it. Without processing what really happened. For a lot of guys, and I can say this, that, sa amin, sige, nag-sorry na ako. Past is past. Let's just move forward.
Yeah.
But for some girls, maybe a lot of girls, no. Let's talk about it before. Hindi
Oo,
pa.
Hindi naman sa gusto nating mag-away-away tayo.
To-process natin what
Oo.
happened.
Yeah. I'm a firm
So
believer.
ikaw yon.
O kasi hindi ako
Siya gusto niya mag-move on na sana.
Oo. Ako kasi, ang hirap kasi nakikita sa mukha ko. Hindi ko natatago.
Mo fake.
I can't fake it. I am never the type that will fake it. I will tell you, even if you don't like it, the truth.
In all fairness to G, ever since you were like that.
Yeah.
No.
I have to
I
say
try.
that.
So paano pinag-usapan nyo nga?
Macdo.
Nag-meet kami sa
Okay.
Dapat
Marcos
bayaran
Highway.
ni Macdo yung ano
okay.
nyo.
No.
Magka-commercial tong dalawan to.
Ayun,
girl.
pwede natin pag-usapan to with Bibi Go.
Okay.
wow.
Balikan natin yung time na yon.
Yes, yes,
Nagkasorihan? Paano nagkaungkatan ng past? Ano nangyari?
Oh, gusto niya kasi bawat detalye pag-usapan eh.
Uy, hindi naman.
Wait, notebook.
Process-
Naglabas
hindi,
ng notebook si Gino.
processor ka talaga.
Okay, number one, ito tayo.
Ako, I used to not believe in processing, but now I believe that it's an important part
Yes.
of moving forward with even friendship and even a romantic relationship. The processing is gonna be very important because you have to understand why I felt bad, why I
Yes.
made you feel bad, how I took it. Kasi baka para sa it might be a small issue, but no. For the other person, hindi. Sa akin, this is something
Totoo.
big, no? Nagkausapan tayo, hindi mo sinunod, or di ba, whatever. It has to be processed, which I didn't believe before, but it would bring out the best in the relationship down the road.
Yeah. And I think there's such a thing as, I don't know if it fits this, the toxic positivity. Na parang
Okay.
if you talk about the details, you're negative. You're diving too much into it.
Balik
You're,
na naman tayo.
balik na naman tayo dyan. But really, it's more of like letting the air out para matapos
Letting all the
na.
baggage out.
Oh, and ikaw may sinasabi ka sa akin, madali kasi ako magpatawad. Pag masyado. Pag
Masyado all caps. Oo.
pero that's your observation with me.
Yeah.
Na parang pag nag-sorry, tapos na, wala na yun.
Done.
Tsaka ang maganda sa processing is you get to see where the other person was really coming from.
Yeah.
Magkaiba kasi tayo ng pinanggagalingan
Oo,
eh.
oo,
So,
So,
you might not understand why the person felt bad. Baka akala mo, oh, I felt bad kasi iniwan mo ako sa ere sa Amazing Race. But actually, maybe for you, hindi, it might be more than that.
Yeah.
For me, it's about our friendship.
Yeah.
Iniwan mo ako sa ere. It's not
Yeah.
about the project. It's actually something deeper.
Exactly. That's
So
how
you guys have to know that.
How many years was that nung after nung friendship over bago kayo nag-usap dyan sa Macdo?
2
Macdo,
years.
nakakadami ka
Ay,
na.
anong
years.
branch? Saka anong
Oo,
branch to?
Marcos Highway.
Anong branch? Oh my God.
Alam ko wala kinalaman sa
Pareho ba kayong
podcast
taga
to, pero
doon?
anong branch to?
Taga doon kayo pareho sa Marikina area.
Oo.
Oh, ano?
Okay.
Ano taga LA kami?
Lower Antipolo.
Okay.
Okay, so ilang oras ang inabot? Papanong eksena? Tapos gaano katagal bago kayo nag-meet doon?
Tsaka may kabato eh.
Since the
Sorry,
FO
before.
days.
May kabato yung parang magkikita na ulit kayo after
Sigurado
nagtagal na magkaaway,
eh.
di ba?
Sure.
Na nakaka-nervyos
Oo,
ah.
yun,
may
boy, pare.
inabot ng more than a year?
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
Hindi kami
then,
nakita.
natatandaan niyo, anong oras to? Paano,
Morning.
sino una
Morning
nagsalita?
ba?
Morning.
Sige nga, balikan natin yan.
Siguro ako yung una nagsalita. Parati naman ako una nagsasalita.
Easy,
Ano
oh.
dala pa pala? Chika pag upo.
Oo. Parang, hi. Uy, specific. Hi, hello. Pero yung hi niya, yung alam mong merong ano,
Of course.
yung mayabang,
Oo.
may ego pa rin na parang ikaw,
Ikaw nag-invite.
oo, ikaw ang nag-invite.
Salita ka.
Oo, what do you have to say? Ayan.
ganyan.
So, ilang oras kayo inabot and then after nun, okay na lahat?
Okay na. Parang
Hindi
ano,
pa okay.
ay, hindi pa. Trace mo.
Ano talaga, G?
Oo.
Hindi siya makakalimutan.
Kasi
Hindi.
may friend na nagsalita.
Nagsabi pa. Ay, hindi, pero hindi ka rin nagpunta dun sa event
Oo.
ko. Pero okay lang, gets
sige,
ko naman yun.
fill in natin sila. What do you remember from that? Yung hindi okay?
Hindi, kasi after nun, hindi naman tayo balik sa normal. Na-realize din namin, even with other
right away.
friendships,
Oo,
hindi naman
oo,
agad-agad
yeah,
na
tama.
close.
Yeah.
Kasi may awkward, syempre awkward.
And
din sa
I was
isa't isa.
open na kung magbabati kami, hanggang doon na lang yun.
May
I
ano ka
didn't
na,
want to
boundary.
Part
recontinue.
of your life and
Yeah,
your-
no,
Bati
like,
tayo, but I don't wanna be back in your life.
Oo.
yeah, like if I see you in a party, I want to be able to say like, uy, kamusta ka na? Yung ganun. Pero hindi na ako yung parang, alam mo ba,
Talk na lang tayo.
small talk na lang, ganun na lang.
So, paano nangyari yung naging close pa ulit kayo?
Siguro, doon papasok siguro, I guess we're both artistically aligned.
Uh-huh.
Ewan ko, baka may nakalimutan ako so fill in na lang. Pero kasi, I think na-strengthen ulit yung friendship because I'm naturally, like, my experiences are flushed out with content. Even before sinasabi pang content creation, ginagagawa na talaga ako ng
Alam
content.
ko yan. I can attest to that. Actually, ito yung mga OG talaga ng content creator.
Oo.
Sa YouTube pa nag-start.
Yeah, so parang every time I experience a certain emotion, happiness, sadness, whatever, I always think, paano ko to ilalabas in a content?
Okay.
And she's also the type that feeds that ideas. Nagbabatuhan kami, nagbabounce off yung ideas. So, nung nag-start ulit mag-hangout, I guess we just started like chatting about, uy, ang sayang gawin nito. Uy, ganito, trip-trip lang. Ganon.
Tapos nagulat kayo, back to
Back to
being
normal.
super close na.
Yeah.
Back to being normal.
Yeah. Wala siyang specific like turning
Nag-heal siya
point.
slowly.
Yes, it was like, it ebbed.
Okay.
Nag-flow siya.
Sarap.
Kasi
Kasi ang tagal-
pinilit, no? Bumalik talaga
Oo.
sa dati. That's
Naramdaman
nice.
ko rin naman for you. Ako din kasi ang laki ng walls ko eh. Parang I'll let you back in pero hanggang dyan ka na lang.
Of
So
course.
minsan pag nakikita kami, alam mo yung may hesitation na hindi ako masyado kikwento dito or parang hanggang, hi, hello,
May
kamusta,
ex akong
kamusta
ganyan. Gusto mo
lang.
sabihin ko sino?
Oh, ay.
Wag na, next topic.
Sino?
Di ba yung
Pinakaba
mga
mo
ex ko
kami.
mag-text sa'yo,
Oo.
can we meet up? Tapos ko parang,
Iba yun eh. Iba
hindi,
yun.
sila ko yung
Tsaka parang
tension
hindi,
bago
parang
ng meet up.
hindi
Bakit
kayo sa
tayo?
fast food nag-meet nun.
Anyway, balik na tayo.
May ibang
Oo.
fast yun.
Pero eto, kasi you guys have been friends for 19 years.
Yes.
Pero totally different. Sabi nga, ito yung mas sweet, ito yung mas palaban.
Mhm.
May relationship, no boyfriend since birth.
Mhm.
Paano yung eksena nun?
You know, it's weird kasi she's the first person I talk to when it comes to relationships.
A person who has never had a relationship.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
and
for some
malamang-
reason, people like consulting with me or asking me for
Oo.
advice. Minsan, kailangan ko pa mag-disclaimer na wait lang wala akong boyfriend, wala akong asawa. Pero
Yeah.
for some people,
But
You
like
care about
processing.
her. Kaya yung mga nabibigay niya advice sa'yo for sure.
But I,
Nagagamit mo. Pinakikinggan mo ba?
50-50.
Mga ilang beses ka niya na sinabihan
Hindi.
sa 19 years, sa 19 years niyong friends, nakailang jowa yung nakita mo kay G at
Oo.
nasabi mo sa kanya, be, wag.
No, I've
Pero
only had
hindi
2
sinunod.
boyfriends.
In your
Okay,
life.
2 boyfriends.
Yeah,
And you've
two
seen
lang.
both.
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Mm.
Mm. So may mga ilang beses ka nagsabi na, be, may red flag, tapos di ka pinakinggan.
Okay, can I answer muna?
Oh, sige.
Sige.
Gusto ko yung nakabuelo na eh. Nakabuelo.
Sasabihin ko lang naman.
Nakabuelo na.
Curious ako eh. Kasi,
Sasabihin ko lang naman, may mga tao hingi ng advice tapos di naman pinapakinggan.
Uy, hindi. Huy, marami talagang
You
ganun.
can say that again.
Oh,
Ang mga taong hingi ng advice, di
Ah.
naman pinapakinggan.
Kung hingi kayo ng advice, make sure makinig kayo or at least give it some thought. Minsan, it's a pet peeve of mine eh. Yung mga friends mo hingi ng advice, tapos parang iba namang ginagawa. So parang, bakit
ba't ka pa
pa?
nagtanong?
Pa?
wala lang. Gusto lang mag-share.
Gusto ko mag-share tapos 4 hours natin. Kasi proseso yun ah.
At saka, pag sinabi bang hihingi ng advice, sinabi bang susundin.
Oo. No, but
Okay,
like,
game.
to be fair kasi with you, kaya sabi ko like, kasi you can, baka iba yung version mo eh. Ang version ko kasi, never niya akong pre-measure. Never ka, in fairness talaga to you, like you've seen me go through some real deep deep stuff.
Low
pero
moments. and
low
high.
moments. Pero never akong nakasense sa kanya na if I chose the different route than what she said, that I got any judgment or I felt like
Fair enough.
para akong nangingiming bumalik. Walang ganon. So, it's always, ang maganda sa kanya, even if she never had a relationship, kaya siguro nagja-jive yung advice giving, very empathetic. So, she would base how she would advise, ano ba yung kayang tanggapin ng taong to? Kasi she's hurting eh. Hindi siya yung parang gaganunin ka pa.
I was actually gonna ask you about that, Abby. Why do you think magaling ka mag-advise even if you've never been in a relationship? Like, where do you think you get it?
Well, una naman, I just listen to really where
Okay.
the other person is coming from. And sa kapakakikinig ko ng mga tao. na
Hindi
ko
lang
na-
naman ako.
na hindi ko masyadong na-apply din sa sarili ko siguro. Pero nakikita ko na yung wisdom sa mga experiences ng iba. So very curious din na parang you also know and want the best for the other person. So I think, yeah, I care about her. So I think the advice is really coming from how much I know her and what she, how much I care and what she deserves. Yeah.
Sabi nga nila, diba, stop giving advice to a person that needs a hug.
Oh,
Yeah,
because sometimes
that's so
hindi naman
nice.
advice yung kailangan. I
Lalim
think
nun, palakpak naman kayo.
Uy, palakpak daw. Palakpak muna. Okay.
Ilalim na. Ilabas ang backhoe.
Ngayon, alam na natin yung reason kung bakit ka lagi lumalapit sa kanya kahit NBSB siya. Kasi nga
Yeah.
no judgment eh. Never mo siya maririnig na, kasi naman ikaw, tanga mo eh.
Yeah.
Balik-balik ka pa eh.
Did you ever do that?
Wala
siya
siyang
parang,
ganun
Oh,
eh.
ano sabi ko sa'yo? Ano sabi? May mga friend na ganyan,
Oh,
di ba?
diba sabi ko
Walang
na
I told
maghihiwalay
you so.
kayo, diba?
As much as
Did
gusto
you
mo or iniisip mo, pero never to tell that other
Told
person.
ya.
Pero meron ka ba
wala.
ever nasabi sa kanya na hindi mo deserve or mas deserve mo to?
No, I would always tell her
Yeah.
what she deserves. Kasi what I know for sure, minus of the relationships that she had before, is I know who you are as a woman. And I know what your dreams are for yourself and even now for your son. Siyempre, you want to align everything else that's happening in your life to the kind of life that you want.
Yeah.
So ako naman, I believe a lot in a person's autonomy to make the right decision for themselves. Pwede tayo magkamali, that's part of life. You grow from that. So who am I with her and her own relationship with God
To
and
dictate.
oo,
Yeah.
to be the one to say, dapat ito yung ginawa mo, mali yan. Parang bakit?
Ang sarap pakinggan ni Abby, no?
Pag
Parang
hindi kasi
parang
parang
okay na
very-
taong
no,
pakinggan.
very comforting
Yeah.
siya.
No, like just recently we were exchanging messages kasi like with different phases in life gumaganon-ganon ka, diba?
Yes.
So parang pag may ganyan I message her, sabi ko like ito ganito ganyan. Tapos she took a beat tapos she replied with this very insightful message when she said na she reminds me of yung dreams ko and whatever. It's more of like parang affirming yung traits ko na nakalimutan ko. So pag may sinasabi siya na, alam mo ganito ka, ganito, ganyan, parang mas lumalakas yung loob ko after na parang, ay shucks, oo nga no, kasi parang nakikita ko na sa sarili ko, ang dark, ang ganito, ganyan. But then there are other people pala who see the light sa'yo.
You're reminded of your being and things you stand for.
Yeah.
Could I add to that real quick lang? Baka some people could relate. Kasi she was talking about how in the last relationship, kunyari, it didn't work out. Tapos you were questioning why that was. Na parang sabi ko, in the future, if you ever have a relationship, you already know what didn't work, what's not meant for you.
Yeah.
And it gave you the spine and the backbone to actually handle that relationship the right way.
Yeah.
Without losing yourself and your respect and love for
Palakpakan
yourself.
po, palakpakan.
Palakpakan.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Sinabi palakpakan.
Thank you.
Very, very pang Miss Universe.
Kaya nga ako nakaganda
Galing,
outfit.
galing.
Pero
Kaya nga ito.
I wanna ask Abby, yung mga naging relationships ba ni G naka-affect kung bakit parang ayoko na mag-jowa?
Oh.
Ay, gusto ko mag-jowa. By the way, hi guys.
Yun na pala.
Doon
pala.
Don't get me wrong.
So gusto mo, bakit
Gusto ko
NBSB?
syempre.
Oo nga.
Nagkataon lang na nag-start kasi I was a church girl eh. Lumaki ako sa church. So before yung may ang taas ng standards, hanggang sa patanda na ako ng patanda.
Mababa na.
yung mga checklist.
Hindi naman. Yung
Tanda
parang
tayo. Pwede na to.
kung gano'n nga lang, sana meron na akong
Hindi.
boyfriend.
So very picky ka.
Very
Ever
picky.
since up to now.
Oo, tapos naging cautious ka na nako, naging picky na ako all these years. Baka naman yung una kong, kunyari, magiging boyfriend, biglang out the window lahat
Kung
nung...
sino na lang.
Oo, kung sino na lang.
Ayaw mo
Ayoko
naman, no?
mangyari.
Tama.
Oo. Pero I've dated some guys naman.
Didn't work out.
It didn't work out.
Do you think your
So,
standards are too high? Do you think her standards are too high?
No.
Tanungin si Gino.
No,
Sakto lang.
Actually, yung standard.
Bakit mo ako
Sabihin mo.
pinagtatawanan?
Okay lang. Sabihin mo.
Meron
Sabihin
lang
mo.
akong mga minahal na hindi dapat
Can
kamahal-mahal.
we hear the
Oo.
standards?
Let's hear the standard.
Para, anong ang mga standards?
For
Alam
somebody who
mo-
has never had a boyfriend, ano yung standards ng isang Abby Asistio?
Ang standard ng isang Abby Asistio napakasimple.
Ano
Napakasimple.
yan?
Ang sarap parang ang sarap pakinggan siguro sa tenga ng lalaki na ang dali niyang pasayahin. Sa totoo lang.
Qualities. Can we get 3 qualities you're looking for in an ideal partner?
Ano, from me?
Hindi, ikaw na. It's from you na. Ikaw na. Bilang may for inquiries and bookings na tayo. Oh.
Sige.
Well, yung attraction, first level lang naman yun. Siyempre, kailangan attracted ako.
Okay,
pero
physical?
in terms of physical, pero
More
in
than
terms
that?
of the 3 main characteristics, just someone who's driven and has his own path.
Like the drive, ganun.
Oo, or tricycle.
Sana naman may direction to,
May
di ba?
direction,
Oo.
exactly.
Focus, yun.
May pinupuntahan yung buhay, family man, may values.
Hindi may asawa, family man. Mahilig
God-fearing.
may gusto maging mag-family
Hindi
ganun.
na sinasara natin ang mga pinto
Ooh.
dyan.
Ay.
So, ano pa ba? Yun, simple lang naman din talaga. Tsaka yung mamahalin ako.
Oh.
Tsaka, ano.
Oo nga.
Of course.
Alam mo,
Fair
parang
enough.
Oo.
dapat naman, di ba? Dapat naman talaga pag pipili tayo ng lalaki, yung may path naman sana. May
Yeah.
gustong puntahan.
May direction. Tsaka
Hindi yung hindi natin alam, ano bang gusto nitong gawin sa buhay niya?
Exactly. Na dati, nung mga bata-bata tayo.
Gusto natin
Okay
yun.
lang yun.
Basta
Pwede
gwapo,
na.
gora na.
Alam nyo,
Oo.
kayo mga babae, sorry, I'm gonna say
O
this
bakit?
again.
Ano na naman?
Hilig nyo kasi mga bad boy. Dati.
Ayaw na
May-
natin yan.
May age yan.
Tinalikuran
May age
natin yan. Tinalikuran
Gusto,
na
gusto ko
natin.
yung talagang very hot kasi
Oo.
ayaw na
Tsaka
natin.
lalaki yung mata
Kaya,
niya.
ayaw na
ayaw
natin
pa sa akin.
yan.
Ayaw na
Ayaw
natin yan.
No, to be honest right now, like I'm in this season na parang softening up. Parang
Okay.
not so ano anymore on the parang
You're
Robin.
maturing.
Oo, parang I want steadiness. I want
Peace of mind.
dependability,
calmness. Okay.
peace of mind, gano'n.
So,
May weakness pa kami, funny guys.
funny.
Yung mga funny
Wait,
guys.
pero
Funny guys, pareho kayo.
Pero kami ng ano, ito.
May sense of
Kakakwento mo lang
humor.
sa akin ito.
Tumatawa sila, funny guys din.
Naku po, yan yung mga sasakit sa feelings nyo.
Ay,
Yung mga
ko.
funny guy.
May tipo kami ni Abby na nagja-jive tayo doon eh.
I'll go.
Pag very streetwise, na
Okay.
parang may konting angas,
Okay.
pero may hint of parang American amboy vibe. Pero may Pinoy roots. Ganun.
Wow. Okay.
Before yan.
Ha?
Before.
Hanggang ngayon.
Hanggang ngayon. That should be.
Hindi ngayon,
Paano
okay ako.
yun? Paano
Parang
yung medyo,
I mean-
teka nalito, paano yung medyo avam na may Pinoy roots? Parang Sino yan? Perfect
Nag-state
example.
sa mga 5 years, ganun.
Tony ba yan? Sorry, Tony. Bakit? Si
By the way,
Tony ba
please
yun?
welcome our special guest.
Tony. Sino yan? Sino yung perfect example?
Walang perfect example. Walang specific example.
okay.
But I guess
Hindi,
ngayon,
biniring up niya kanina si Rovilson tsaka si Mark Malaga.
Medyo
no?
ganon.
yes,
Wow.
mala ganon. Kasi
yeah.
parang nire-refine ko ngayon kung anong idea ko, kung ano yung tipo ko ba talaga. And pasok doon yung Western humor with Pinoy humor. Kasi
I like that. Okay.
hindi matatanggal ang humor sa roots ko. Talagang yun at yun ang babalik.
Paano kung
But isn't it, sorry, but isn't it harder for you because you're a comedian ever since?
Yeah.
So hindi ba ang taas kailangan ng comedy level ng isang tao to keep up with your
But the thing is,
level of comedy?
I love batuhan ng ideas eh.
Okay.
I'm a sapiosexual if you,
Mhm.
na parang it's like, the more I talk to someone and ang dami ko napipeel back na layers and
Ang
mas
tawag
lalo ako
dyan sa
natuturn on,
Tagalog,
parang
yung
gano'n.
magaling magmomol ng brain. Mumomol niya yung brain mo. Yung, yun yung ano ko dyan eh.
physical mo
Totoo,
lang
hindi.
alam
Iba-
natin.
iba-
eh.
iba rin
Hindi
yun.
ko lang
Sorry,
narinig.
sorry, physical mo
Physical
lang alam
mo
ko.
lang alam.
Hindi
Diba?
ba kasi mga...
Pahomo-homo sabi.
Gagi.
Ano meron sasabi nito?
Gagi.
Tama mali.
Anong sapa?
Oo, sabi ng tita doon.
Gagi
Tama,
yung mga
mali.
kasi mga magaling na
Hindi, kasi-
magmomol ng brain.
Now here's the...
Tsaka delikado yun yung mga guys na makaya yung momol brain mo.
Oo. Napaisip talaga tuloy tayo. Ano masarap? Momol ng brain o momol physical?
Pareho.
Okay, sorry. Oh, sorry.
Same.
Okay, question ngayon. Kasi siya nabigay niya yung standards niya. Sabi mo, nagkakaedad ka na, nagmamature ka na, and now you have a kid. Siyempre, pagka namili ka ng bagong lalaki,
Yeah.
kasama yung anak mo sa iisipin mo, right? Nagbago yung standards mo. What if, may dumating, super driven, super love ka, okay, lahat ng checklist mo nandun, pero hindi siya funny. Sakto lang. Like, hindi talaga.
Oh my!
Oo. Hindi kanya
Oh, no.
mamomol dun sa brain.
Ayan. Relax. Upo ka.
Sorry. Sorry.
Na-excite ako. Excited
Oh,
na excited.
tama mali.
Tubig muna to. Masyado
Teka.
mainit.
Sorry. Oh, kita mo nahirapan siya.
May kasi naman yung physical momol
Tapos-
din, pero oo.
Oh my. Baka, oh my.
Ikaw din, ganun kasi gusto mo rin may
Oh.
humor. I wanna
Pareho
hear
kayo.
your answer pareho. Super lahat ng checklist nyo nandun na. Eto na siya sa harap nyo. Except hindi talaga siya funny. Hindi kayo mamomomol sa
Hindi na naman
brain.
siya corny na guy. He's just like
a steady
Yung
guy.
sakto lang. Yung parang yung pagka-funny kasi dala rin ng ano yan eh.
Oo.
Yung
Pero
wit,
lahat ng checklist
intelligence
nandun
eh.
ha. Lahat ng checklist
Pero
nyo nandun.
ako-
Pero talagang yung humor medyo 2
he's like-
over 10.
or he's like a super, maybe a super business kind of guy. Hindi siya funny, but he's super good at what he does. But hindi na siya funny.
Now that I think about, first time ko narinig yan first time ko na-consider, now that I'm thinking about it, baka kayanin.
Girl, kung kaibigan kita, girl, go mo.
Oo.
Yan!
Tapos nandyan na.
Yan ang gusto ko.
Oo.
Magbigay
Girl,
ng
go
advice
mo
sila.
na.
Girl, go mo yan.
Girl, go mo yan.
No,
girl.
there are certain reconsiderations now that I'm thinking about, and it's more about, does this person adore me?
Lahat
Yeah.
nandun. Lahat talaga nandun
So kung
na.
kaya,
Dali mo na lang sa show ni Alex Calleja, manood kayo ng comedy show kung gusto niyo magpatawa. Pero kung gusto mo ng
Tama.
jowa.
O, diba?
Oo. parang ngayon, if this person can take care of me, adore me, and love my kid, and be reinforcing, I can be funny for the both of us.
Very good.
Manood na lang kami
Very
ng
good.
Kevin Hart, ganon.
Thank you for watching this episode.
Si Abby, how about you?
Yeah.
Kasi gusto mo rin ng funny guy.
Oo, yun yung initial na nagsaspark sa akin. Pero yung corny, may charm din kasi yun eh. Like, minsan ako yung funny dun sa, kung sino man yung kasama mo. Pero meron siyang, kunyari, magta-try siya ng corny joke. Parang, nag-try siya mag-corny joke.
Yeah.
Endearing na rin yun eh. So,
Alam
Pwede,
mo,
kaya
yung mga,
yan. Oo.
yung mga
Pwede.
corny tsaka clumsy habang sa start pa lang, okay yan, cute yan. Pero pag mag-asawa na kayo, ay natapon yung kape, ang tanga-tanga mo naman. Dahil
Anak
ay,
ng
ang cute
tokwa.
mo, oh my God, chocolates by a new one. Pag matagal na kayo, natapon mo, ay, ang tanga mo.
May mura pa minsan,
mura
no?
pa, oh.
Kahit wala muna, makikita mo na lang.
May reaction.
Wala ka na lang. Oh my God.
Yan
meron
na
pa tayong
naman.
gusto. Although ikaw medyo nasa simp side ka na eh. Ako gusto ko
I
mas
wanna simp.
alpha. Gusto ko
Alpha
mas
guy.
alpha kasi
Gusto mo yung alpha guy?
alpha
tayo.
guy.
Yung medyo,
pareho tayo.
medyo
Oo,
in
kasi
control,
I'm
in control.
Also in control. I'm a very independent woman also now and I know what I want. Gusto ko yung may magsasabi sa akin na babe.
Ganun.
Tapos gaganon lang ako. Yes.
Hindi kasi, I think,
Ganon,
sorry
ganon.
can I just say, I think lahat ng babae gusto yun.
Yeah.
Mm.
No, yung akala nyo strong lang kami, pero gusto namin yung,
Binabargas kayo.
hindi yung talagang pinapatahimi kami
exactly.
minsan. Gusto
Pwede na
natin
edit
yung,
out yun, ha?
di ba yung parang yung direction natin na dito tayo, babe, hindi dyan.
kung
Yung
action
action
siya,
siya,
parang-
ito yung tama. Yung talagang man of the house, ganon.
Yeah. Kung action, parang yung gagano, okay, sige.
Kasi parang we're
Parang
so...
iba yung pinag-uusapan. Okay.
Oh nga, nasa zaddy ka na eh. Zaddy.
Parang
sanay-
Zari yan. Zari.
Yung parang sanay ka na to bring out your masculine side when you need to step up
Yeah,
in life.
yeah.
We need someone na ma-develop naman yung feminine
Soft
side.
side
yung soft
natin.
side.
Yes.
Oo.
Pero
Yung
kasi,
binibaby kayo.
yes, gusto namin
Yeah.
yun.
Oo, kasi for the longest time, lalo na for alpha women,
Yes.
we've been self-sustained
Correct.
for the longest time.
So the
We've been-
mindset has been different.
Yes, we've been trained to make things happen if things don't fall into place. But if you meet someone who can let you rest for a change, yung parang
Take control.
take control, I
And
would
say,
be more
I'll
than
take care
happy
of
do
you.
it.
Even to say
Parang
na
pagod
I'll
na
be
pagod
willing
ka.
to take
Teka,
care of
Kaya
you.
nga
papahingahin kita
Do you
dito.
want-
Gusto mo ng dumpling?
Gusto mo dumpling girl?
Baby, go ulit kayo dyan.
Baby, go
Oo.
ka muna. Oh.
Pero yun nga the problem now is sometimes pag alpha ka, tas nandyan na yung karelasyon mo, ang problema, uy, alpha naman to eh.
Kaya
Kaya nyo na
yan.
yan. Oh,
Yeah.
see?
Yeah.
Can I also ask, in this day and age, is it harder to find an alpha guy? Are guys getting weaker? What's your take on this?
It's weird kasi parang, correct me if I'm wrong, but like the younger generation, like
Okay.
a level under us, parang
Okay, we're
mas
talking
more
about Gen Zs or millennial young batch?
millennial young batch and
Okay.
upper Gen Zs.
Okay.
Parang they're more self-aware and take charge. Maaga sila nagkakaroon ng self-awareness. Kasi if I watch some reels ganon, sabi ko, at that age, ang iniisip ko pa nun, parang, party, no,
San tayo mamaya? Oh.
Oh, ngayon sila.
Ngayon, parang it's like, here's a checklist on how to be an accomplished blah, blah, blah. This,
Ang dami nilang alam, girl.
Maganda sabihin yun, no? Dami yung alam.
Hindi, sorry hindi namin namin inaaway yung Gen Z.
Oo.
Pero pare-pareho tayo
Tama
ng
rin.
mindset. Tapos sa
Oo.
panahon na yun, 25 tayo. Be, gusto lang natin makauwi ng maayos sa bahay. Gaya ka ng
Gusto
inuman.
Maalala, naligo ka na.
Ayun,
Tapos
the day
nalasing
after.
ka, may pasok ka kinabukasan. Yun na yung problema.
Hindi mo alam kung natanggal mo yung makeup mo.
Oo.
the
Now-
night before.
O kaya dumaan ka ng Jollibee yung McDo, pero yung kalahati ng burger hindi mo na naubos. Diba?
You feel like ngayon, mas keep up yung mga Gen Z guys.
Yes, now they're more aware of like your cortisol levels or
Wow.
ganun sila.
Would
So,
you-
Don't let it spike.
Would
Yeah.
you ladies date, if you don't mind me asking, how young are you guys?
Oy, kaedad natin sila.
More or less. Oh,
Magkakaedad
sige.
tayo.
Oh,
Same
ganun.
age
Yeah.
tayo
Yeah.
lahat.
No, I'm good saying my age. I'm 42.
Okay.
You
yeah.
look younger.
Yeah, we're on the same
Okay.
age bracket.
Sige.
Yes.
Thank you.
So would you be open to dating a Gen Z? We're talking about somebody 27, 30s too young.
Ilan taon ba ang Gen Z?
What's the age
Hanggang
range?
ilan taon?
What's the lowest
30s
you would
up ako.
30s up?
30s
Yeah,
up.
might be
ayaw
too
mo-
young. 27 is
Kahit lahat
too
ng
young.
checklist nandun na.
Kung
Tas
kunyari,
funny
20
pa.
Oh,
27,
May sumama mo
29,
cortisol
ganyan.
checklist. Oh.
Good, responsible, driven.
Girl, naka-cortisol
Namomol yung
checklist.
brain
oh.
mo. Pero 20, 28, 29.
I could kasi yung 32, 10 years younger na sa akin eh. Parang ang bata ng 27.
Ayaw mo.
Okay, so minimum 32. What's
Tsaka ano eh, gusto
Oh.
ko yung nasi-share ko. Kasi ako 90s kid ako. Yung mga
Oh.
maliliit na bagay na kunyari
Nagigets
music
nila.
na ano.
Yeah.
Naalala
Ayoko
mo
yung
na yan.
titingin siya sa
Nagpatugtog ka
akin.
ng Jarol, di niya kilala.
Oo, yung ang saya-saya mo. Tapos titingin siya kung
Must be right.
Tapos gumagano ka. Hindi mo gets. Hindi mo gets.
Older
Oh,
guys.
tapos hindi sasabihin nila, my mom listens to that. Ganon.
How, so you, 32 is your base?
32, sige,
What's your base?
32.
Pinakambata.
No,
How young would you go?
No, ideally same. 32. But if the maturity
Exception,
level
no.
and everything else falls into place,
Mhm.
I could consider
Okay.
up for
22?
debate. 20?
27.
27.
25.
No. Two, ano. Like
Older men.
27. 28.
28.
Okay. Old. How old are we going?
Oo, older men. Parang, uy, kinikilig ka.
kasi-
Teka lang ah.
Kaya nga parang mas type
Oo.
yung mga ano.
Hindi kasi sorry sabihin ko lang, sa edad na to kasi, syempre mas gusto na talaga ng babae, mas mature.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct.
And
Wala
parang
nang-
feeling namin pag older, mas may alam na
Feeling
talaga sa
nyo lang
buhay
yun.
to.
Yes.
Right?
Feeling nyo,
Yes.
ang dami nyo natin kilalang mas mga immature pa, tumatanda ba?
Oh.
Pero gusto ko sabihin na okay ako sa older, pero yung mga ibang older guys na nakikilala ko, gusto nila mga 27.
Mga
bagets.
ganun.
Mga
Like, they're
bagets.
looking
But-
Pero
for...
would you date
Oo.
55 to 60 years old?
55.
Pero looks hot, mga ganon.
I like
ako.
Zaddy.
Oo,
Oh, so
Zaddy.
Zaddy na 55.
Zaddy,
Oh,
Zaddy.
oh,
Zaddy.
Zaddy. Oh.
Zaddy,
Ako, ako,
na-affam
55.
na may Pinoy roots.
Oh.
Be.
Very specific.
Be, bakit to sinabi ko?
Go, diba?
Para pati siya pwede. Sabi niya, gigame ko to, gigame ko to.
Oh, next time ba may dating show na yung Lecheng Pag-ibig?
Hindi kasi, di ba,
Pwedeng.
Gina na.
medyo komplikado yung dating ngayon, right? Kesa before.
Yes.
Pero trinay nyo online. Dating.
Oh, akala ko 80.
Oo, no.
Masyado matanda.
Dating lang tayo, dating. Pero,
Geriatric.
did you ever guys try yung mga bago ngayon? Kasi before, para makakilala ka, lalabas ka ng bahay.
Yeah.
No, I've never-
Online, no?
Hindi ko naabutan ng apps. So, ngayon pa lang yun. I know, I haven't. I think meron akong resolution in my head for now, na parang I want to have a meet cute. Alam niyo ba yung...
Paano yung meet cute?
Naturally
meet
meeting
cute.
people.
Organic.
It's like,
Tell us
ganito,
about
ganito,
it.
kunwari
Ano yan?
ang meet cute is like this. Pag nasa supermarket kayo, tapos hinahanap mo yung tinapay, tapos parang hanap kang ganyan, may butas sa kabilang shelf. Tapos, pag hanap mo na ganyan, nando sa kabila, naghahanap siya ng ham. Tapos sabi ko,
Nag-eye contact.
Nag-eye contact. Tapos,
Teleserye ito.
ganon. Tapos,
Oo.
pag angat namin, parang,
Wow.
Ay, ganon.
Pero siya, nag-online.
Oo,
May
game
mga
ako
nakilala
dyan.
online.
May mga nakilala
It didn't
ako.
work.
It didn't work. Tapos ngayon, I would still try. Masyadong pagkante.
Bigyan mo ng beer to, bigyan mo ng beer. So,
Hindi ngayon.
Masyadong
Girl,
komportable.
11 pa lang, 11 guys.
Feeling 8 p.m. na
Sorry, wait lang.
Ano pa yun, nakabistida. Kasi yung mga na-meet ko, charot. And nakakapagod lang din yung process.
Of course, given.
Like, kasi sobrang, fast-paced ng pag-swipe. May kausap ka, parang walang bearing tong kausap, mapapakamot ka ng ulo, tanggalin mo yung match. Parang everything is so fast-paced. So there's really not enough time and effort and energy to really meet someone unless mag-meet kayo in person.
Are you guys both on dating apps?
No.
None of you.
Mababa ang tolerance ko sa
Mga
boring.
Bumble, Tinder, none of that.
If mabilis,
Bumble?
Bumble ka?
Bumble.
Oo, nag-Tinder din ako. May nakilala naman ako dun.
Okay.
Napangiti.
Mabilis kasi ako makaspot ng disinterest.
Okay.
Like, kunwari, if there's like a lull in the conversation, mamaya, okay, bye. Wala, ano na yun.
We're gonna shift over. I'm sure we have to touch on the breakup and moving forward.
Mhm.
It's been all over. It was on the news and everything. Are you over it? Where are we right now?
I said this on my post. I said that I'm handling it. I'm figuring things out.
Okay.
Kasi I feel like healing is not linear. It's like, pag sinabi ba na break na, tapos lumabas or what, okay na yan. Or nag-post ng funny video, okay na yan. No, like the social media is, we allow people what we want them to see.
Correct. It's your billboard.
It's my billboard.
Diba?
It's
It's
my
like parang-
calling card.
Correct.
It's my canvas.
Right. Not exactly what happens behind the scenes. People don't know about.
Yes.
Kasi papakita mo lang yung gusto mo pakita.
Yes. So I don't think I owe it to anyone to show them the full spectrum of, feeling.
Of course.
So right now,
But where are we now?
I'm at the point na acceptance. Kasi I feel like pag na-accept mo na yung estado mo, then you can plan, you can be hopeful, you can look forward kung ano yung mga bagay na pwedeng ibigay sa'yo ni God. Dati kasi parang it's like, yun yung sinabi ko rin in several na parang kapit tuko ako na parang no, I want this to work. No, I just want this to be it. Pero what if you need to let go so you can see the full picture kung ano yung pwedeng mabigay sa buhay mo?
Naka-let go ka na ba? Are you still mad? Are you still angry? Are you sad? What's the emotion right now?
Ano na siya?
What's the feeling?
More on, to be honest, nasa logistics ako ngayon eh. More on what needs to be done, a
Okay.
checklist, ganon. So, in terms of processing everything, I feel like it will have its different phases. And I'm, in a way, grieving about the, what my
was-
life should have looked like. Kasi pag nagpakasal ka, yun na yun eh. Kumbaga parang iniisip,
Ideally, of course. Sana,
You're-
diba?
ako in my head when I said yes, like I'm gonna take care of a person na even if matanggal ang braso at
Mhm.
kamay mo,
Till death
even
do
if
us part.
you're a potato, like I'm gonna hold you till we expire.
Mhm.
So now that that's no longer the case, how do you navigate
Bounce
this
back,
new
yeah.
life?
You talked about self-care and we're going to focus on that, especially for those who are watching or listening to the podcast and are going through such a tough time like, what you are going through. What are some of the things you do or can do to bring the attention and the love back to yourself? Kasi at one point, medyo, not naman nawala, but you give a lot of yourself. When you're in a relationship, when you're married, all the more, you give so much of yourself to that
Exactly.
relationship that when it ends, you feel lost.
Yeah.
You feel like, shit, sino na ako?
Mm.
Ano na ako? What's
Yeah.
next for me? I like what you said about self-love, but let's get into details here. What are some of the things you can do?
I want to remember kung sino si G. Like, may sinasabi kami before pa, parang go back to your muchness. Sino ba si G? What's my G-ness? What's your Sam-ness? Your Chan-ness? Abby-ness? Ano ba yung, who are you that makes you unique? So, in that sense, feeling ko over the years, nagbago na rin
Of
siya eh.
course. Mm.
So, ano ba yun ngayon? Try different things. Talk to different people. Open your circle. I'm finding myself na parang hindi naman pinaplano. May bago akong barkada. Hindi ko pinaplano kasi for the longest time, ako yung I keep my circle small. I keep people gusto ko ng one-on-one. Yun lang ako. Pero now, parang dahil nga hindi pinaplano yung mga bagay-bagay, new friendships, relationships are forming, new hobbies are, nag-gym na ako ngayon. Hindi
Okay.
naman ako gym rat before.
Happy for you.
Yeah, ayoko ng gano'n.
Nice.
Initiative.
Usually ganyan sa girls, di ba? After a relationship, doon lang natin ma-realize there's so much more to life.
Yeah.
Hindi lang pala yung kung saan tayo parang nakulong na
Yeah.
Hindi kasi
relationship.
pag after, diba, you feel, correct me if I'm wrong, you feel parang, sino magla-love sa akin ulit? I'm at such a low point. How do I even get myself back on my feet again?
No, before nga dyan, feeling ko before kasi may anak kayo, parang ang nasa utak ng siguro most of the moms
Yeah.
na nakasal, ang nasa utak niyan, hindi hanggat kaya, hold
Oh.
on. Hindi mo
yeah.
iisipin yung what's gonna happen to me. Ang iisipin, paano yung anak ko?
Yeah.
Paano yung pamilya namin?
Yeah.
Pero where did you get the courage to really finally leave the relationship, kahit
tama na.
alam mo, pakiramdam mo, hindi ka sure kung anong mangyayari sa amin ng anak ko?
Ano ba? Parang I just feel na pag hindi ko nakilala yung, sinabi ko din to sa hindi ko nakilala yung sarili ko sa salamin. Kasi nung tinignan ko yung sarili ko sa salamin, tas di ko na na-recognize, merong nag-click sa utak ko na, do you know, parang do you know who the you are? You know who the you are. You know. And hindi ikaw to. You are capable of so much more. And sino yung G na yon? Sino yung gazelle na yon? Get her back. Yun yung talaga.
I wanna ask Abby, kasi you care so much for her. And 19 years kayo together na friends. When finally she ended that relationship, how did you feel?
Sorry, before that, did you actually tell her na tapusin mo na to? Did you ever give that
Wala
advice?
siyang ganun.
Wala kang ganun.
That's what's nice about
Okay,
her.
that's
Kasi kahit
amazing.
nakikita niya na ganito yung friend niya, yun nga yung empathy nandun, pero you never judge her. You never
But I
told
would
her
make
na,
her...
hindi mo yan deserve, yun lang. Pero
Oo.
not to the extent na
Umalis ka na
iwanan
dyan.
mo or umalis ka dyan.
Yeah. Or,
Okay.
kunyari, kasi magkikwento siya. Siyempre, kung ano yung perspective ko naman dun sa nakikita niya sa sitwasyon, I would be transparent din naman na, bakit ganyan? Or, ito
Or you would tell me, girl, how long will you go be that way? Yung ganun lang.
Okay.
So how did you feel finally?
yung totoo,
Yeah.
relieved.
Oh.
What was the first thing you did? Did she call you? How did you find out?
I kind of knew what her plan was already when she made the decision to up and leave. So, ang sabi ko naman, are you sure? Yun naman ang parati kong tanong sa'yo eh.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Kasi I would hate na after 2 months biglang,
Yeah.
I regret it. I don't know. So, she was super sure. Sabi ko, okay, if that's what you want, support kami. Kasi big thing
Yeah.
talaga yun. Yun din yung fear niya na what's gonna happen to me and my son after. And ang sinasabi ko lang din naman is, God has your back. You
Yeah.
know, I know it's very uncertain, but if that's the decision that you choose, God will make a way to supply all the things na feeling mo nawala sa'yo because there's a big season or part of your life that's over.
Yeah.
You're very lucky to have
Oo.
her. Actually, pareho naman kayong dalawa. You're
Correct.
both
Yeah,
lucky
you're
to
both
have each
lucky to
other.
have
Pero
each
kasi
other.
what you went through and having a friend like that,
Yeah.
to just be by your side, na never ka i-judge, di ba?
Tsaka, hindi kasi ako talaga nagsasalita. I don't
When it
talk.
comes to your emotions and what's
I don't.
really happening.
Very, very
Iiyak ka lang, parang ganon.
Yeah, very, very select people know. Pero yung mga tao na yun, all out akong mag-pour out ng nangyayari.
Kumbaga, you're one of those people that people will think you're okay. When they
Yeah.
look at you, kasi papatawa ka, everything seems all good in the hood,
Yeah.
but you'd never show your vulnerability.
No. I would tell Abby, sabi ko, ako, walang bragging. Sabi ko, ang galing-galing kong artista. Sobrang galing. Kasi I could be breaking, but I will never.
But do you think that's healthy?
Now, it's more.
I'm just bring this up because there are a lot of people who are going through, mental health issues
Mhm,
that are like that.
mhm.
That are fronting, I'm okay, everything's good, I'm good. But deep inside, there's already so much going on. You're already
Yeah.
breaking down, going through a mental, a physical breakdown. What's your takeaway from that
I think
story?
it's a balance. Kumbaga parang one, ang naiisip ko dyan, I don't owe everyone my story. But at the same time, my story can also inspire people.
Correct.
My story can also be something that doesn't have to be about heaviness and my past, but more on like something that can be an anchor, even for me lang to just breathe it out, baka makatulong. So, balance lang din. Hindi
I
siya
think that's okay kasi you can share naman
Yeah.
what you're going through to your closest
core.
friends eh. Oo.
Yeah, I have a
The
core
public
support
doesn't
system.
need to know what's
Doesn't.
happening to you.
Yeah.
As long as there's someone you can talk to, di ba kagaya ni Abby, I think wala namang problema doon. Pero Abby, hindi ba mahirap to be in a friendship? She has gone through a lot. So minsan meron ka rin pinagdadaanan. And sometimes you feel like, sabihin ko pa ba to? Kasi
Ang
may
dami na
pinagdadaanan na yung
Ay,
friend ko
nangyayari yun.
eh. I
Diba?
wanna
Someone's going
hear
through so much.
that.
Paano naman ako?
Nangyayari yun, pero kasi yun naman, nagkaroon ka ng tampo sa akin nun eh. Kasi parang feeling niya, pag may pinagdadaanan ako, I keep it to myself. Tapos ang response niya is, gusto ko rin naman maging friend for you. Eh ako naman ang thinking ko, ang dami na nga ang bigat na nga ng pinagdadaanan mo, dadagdag
Dadagdagan ko
pa
pa.
ako.
Oo.
Oo. So, kung kaya ko naman, carry na, akin na lang. Pero we found a way na to be transparent in a sense na may system na kami. Kunyari may pinagdadaanan din ako. She would call. Sometimes I wouldn't answer, but I'll say, girl, I just need a break today. Or parang, day's not going well, fixing my headspace lang.
Yan.
Parang ganun.
Tapos I would say, sige, let me know when. Pag nakita kami, pag-uusapan namin yung nangyari sa kanya.
Oo,
Siya
tsaka
naman.
dun sa kanya. Kasi alam ko rin minsan pag nagpaparamdam ka, meron ka rin Pero kung wala akong bandwidth,
You let me know.
I let her know. Kasi I think I'm also at that point na I want to be there for others. And I think that's part of growing up and being mature. But you also have to fill your own cup.
Watch
I
out for
can't
yourself.
be that friend to her when I'm also ubos or I'm also going through my own thing.
Yeah.
How important is it to have somebody there, a backbone, somebody to call on when things are going rough or your back's against the wall? How important is it to have either a friend, a best friend, or a support system, or a support group?
Ako sobrang siya. To be honest, like it's so essential to your well-being. My family, aside from my friends, my family have been so supportive. When they wala ring judgment, wala rin yung parang gera or what. Walang ganun. It's more like i-foster ka namin with care. My mom would always tell me anecdotes on how she went through her own what you call this, issues or hardships, ganyan, and I would learn from it. And I don't think I would survive. To be honest, I don't think I would have survived if wala akong nakakausap na matino. Wala kahit isa sa circle ko na nagsabi, ganyan, walang ganun. It's more of, ang parating theme ng lahat in unison is, how can you be better next time? What have you learned? What can you do that will make your son proud of you? Parating ganon. Yun yung unison na lahat sinasabi. So that was very important for me.
May bago kaming friend.
Oh, sino?
Speaking of processing things, si ChatGPT.
Oh, okay. Kala ko dapat sinama na. Hindi natin in-invite yung pangatlo. Diba?
Kasi support
Sino?
system.
Ako naman,
Oh my
sino?
God. Ako din eh.
Hindi,
Tao
totoo.
ba to?
Kaya
Alam mo
nga,
yung
tao.
minsan,
Oo.
kasi ako sa gabi ako nag-iisip ng mga nangyayari sa buhay ko, tsaka pagproseso. Yung ChatGPT yung kausap ko to help me just process things. I know
Talaga?
some people are anti-AI or anything, but kasi it's
Why not talk to a friend talaga? Why chat GPT?
pandagdag lang naman yun.
Okay, that's
But
nice.
I also know, kasi just like I have my own stuff happening in my life and my own timeline, alam ko may mga pamilya rin sila, tsaka kanya-kanya silang pinagdadaanan. Sometimes you have to schedule
Correct.
a call, a
Especially as we-
lunch date.
as we get older,
Nasanay,
we get busy.
nasanay kasi si
Yeah.
Abby na independent siya and for the longest time.
Yeah.
Kaya mo on your own, wala kang relationship. So parang minsan kahit may pinagdadaanan ka, kesa abalahin ko si G, sa akin na lang.
Yeah.
Pero now you're 42, tama? And ikaw ba like positive ka pa rin that you'll really find someone or medyo leaning towards ka rin na ready din ako just in case I'll be by myself?
Yeah. I'm very at peace with where I'm at right now. Although I'm very honest about wanting to be in a relationship. It's not a need though. Like, I'm happy. When I turned 40, I was crying and grieving that I let go of the dream na by this point in my life, dapat may pamilya na ako, meron na akong asawa. It didn't happen for me. So it was more of a letting go, not of the life that I wanted, but letting go of the, kumbaga, standard or self-imposed
Or community
deadline.
imposed,
Community
community
imposed
imposed,
deadline that I had for myself na regardless of my age or my status, I'm good. I'm whole. And if someone comes along in the future, great. Sobrang, let's travel the world. I had to, yung with the whole having a baby, yun siguro yung may part na hindi naman ako sobrang, kasi I know some people na talagang they really wanna have a baby.
Ikaw hindi masyado.
Ako
Oo.
hindi. Mas gusto ko magkaroon ng partner. Yun yung meron akong hope na I still wanna find someone to share my life with. But
Is it
in terms
because
of having
mataas ang
kids,
presyo ng diesel? Kaya,
baka pwede na rin.
Kasi
Oo.
ako din yun.
Just have to ask.
May
Just
point.
ask.
Yung malalaking kotse.
Just asking.
Hindi, pero yun, I'm happy. And one thing that makes me alive feel alive right now is giving to my family, pursuing my career, and my advocacy, having my friendships.
Yeah.
Doon ko nabubuhos yung love ko. But if someone wants to give love in other...
She's not gonna say no.
I'm just
Baby.
here.
Alas 8.
I'm here, baby.
Alas 8
Oh, yung
post.
ganyang upo.
Yun.
Okay.
Abangan niyo po kami sa iba't ibang lugar.
And for interest.
Sa BGC area.
Watch out for, ano ba to, Iron Fairy?
Iron Fairy.
May bar tour.
Diyan tayo, bar
On
tour.
Wednesdays, nandito kami.
The Say What Bar Tour.
Say What Bar Tour.
For interested parties, they can contact.
Actually, dahil nga nag-iato, lumabas kami last week eh. So, lumabas kami kasi gusto niya lumabas.
On fire,
Pero sabi ko,
on
sige,
fire.
naka-makeup na ako. Parang na-realize ko ako din, dahil masyado na ako ding focus with my own stuff. With work, with family. Nung lumabas kami, parang na rin akong nag-warm up ulit.
Hindi, ito mas ano to, adventurous
Sabihin mo.
to.
Ano ginawa?
Ilaglag mo na, G.
Laglag mo.
Ilaglag mo.
Alam mo, sabi ko, kaya niya mag-eye, tingnan mo, kinikilabot. Kaya, kunwari ito yung lalaki, yung camera, kaya niya mag-eye contact sa lalaki. Yung ganito siya, nahuli kita.
Hindi, nahiya nga ako.
Ito yung lalaki.
Oo.
Ito yung drink. Sabi niya, sorry, kinikilabutan ako. Sabi niya,
Hindi, pero ito, bago ako gumanon, sabi ko,
Oh,
ano ba, game ba? Kasi, ano ba, magsasmile ba ako sa kanya? Tititigan ko ba sa kanya? Sabi niya, go! So pagtingin ko, yung guy gumanon, tumingin din, ngumiti.
Oh my
Tapos,
God.
nagtaas ng drink. Wala akong drink.
Ayun lang, girl.
May cake sa harapan ko. Sabi ko,
Oh my God! Abby!
ang loser. Ang
Sana
loser.
nag-finger heart ka
Wala.
sa gilid, ito ako. Sabi ko sa gilid.
Oo. Tapos,
Ini-imagine ko kayong guy, parang,
cake? Sabi ko, girl, kulang pa. Next time ulit. Kasi parang kailangan pa mag-warm up eh.
Happy birthday.
May nagbigay kasi.
Ano, sabi ko,
Pero yun, masaya. Parang inisip ko na lang adventure right now. Eto ang nawala. Serious na naman.
Oh.
Parang right now, to be honest, walang pressure on my end na I need to meet someone tapos siya na.
no.
Dati
of course,
kasi,
person
pero
have
there
that
was a
pressure.
time, like in my 30s, I
Ah.
felt like the reason, I guess, I was so picky even with the people that I meet. Kasi I put so much, I gave it so much weight na if, and pressure na if I meet someone, I date him, baka siya na. So, I'm so guarded or kailangan na ma-meet tong mga bagay-bagay. But right now, I just really, considering that I'm 42, parang I just really wanna have fun and meet people and also explore the kind of woman that I am at this
I
point
love it.
in my life.
Dapat naman.
I love it.
Oo.
Guys,
Excited ako para mag-enjoy kayong
Kayong
dalawa.
dalawa.
You guys are both
Kailangan
single
nyo kasama,
now.
tawagan nyo
Oh,
kami.
may Ernest Lucky naman, Mare. Ano ba naman
Sa
yan?
bar tour nyo.
Sa bar
Pwede,
tour,
tayo naman kami dyan.
Sabi ko, this is this will never happen again. Magkasabay tayo. Kasi I've
Lovely.
been in a relationship steadily over the years.
Uh-huh.
So, steadily. So, kaya ngayon, parang like, ay, siya.
Go nyo yan, girls.
Saya,
Go nyo
saya.
yan. Thank you, ladies, for being on the podcast. Super enjoy kami. Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Yes.
Alright,
Baka meron kayong mga phone-in questions
phone-in
dyan.
questions. We can have it
Okay,
too.
sige na. 2
Kahit
or
sa
3
malalim na
questions.
usapan,
Pupuntahan ko kayo dyan.
Getting over, moving on, whichever, if
Huwag
meron
kayong
questions.
mahiya, hindi kami nangangagat. Namimigay pa
Oh.
kami ng bibigo. Questions,
wala.
guys? Wala?
Oh, wala.
Or anything that you wanna say to
Nag-enjoy-
G and Abby?
Nag-enjoy lang kayo.
Ayun, meron. Meron tayo dito.
Siya talaga yung proactive eh. Sabi.
Yes, what's your name?
I'm Kevin
From?
from Taguig.
Ayan.
Tagig, Iron Fairy, so go.
Well, actually, I didn't expect na yung mga topic kanina is I could relate. But friendship, relationship, but also yung advocate mo about alopecia. Because I have alopecia, androgenetics alopecia.
Tatlo na
So,
tayo.
kanina, binipigilan ko lang umiyak. Nung,
perfect timing.
Ano ba to? Parang, ang tanong ko lang, paano mo siya hinandle? Because I'm currently, wala pa nakakaalam nito. I'm currently wearing wig. But before, I've been wearing makeup for almost 5 years. So work, tapos, so hindi ko siya kayang tanggalin because nahihiya ako.
Of course. Kasi
Tapos,
weird tignan.
yeah.
Weird talaga tignan.
Tapos until now, kapag tinatanong nila kung nakikita kasi ng mga friends ko na wala na akong cap. So hindi ko ma-open up if ano ba yung, tinatanong nila kung anong reason. So I would like to ask if paano mo na-conquer or paano ka nagkaroon ng confidence to show up or to tell people na ako to, ito yung ako.
And there is a condition.
Kevin.
And there's a condition like that. Kasi also,
Kevin.
just to let people know, hindi siya it wasn't talked about before.
Mhm.
Diba? Alopecia.
Yeah.
And nung una ka nga to come out with it, Abby was like, ano yan? Ano?
Mhm.
Diba? Is it a disease? Is it a condition?
Yeah.
Diba? So yeah, what's your answer?
Well, first of all, thank you so much
Thank you
for
for sharing,
that
Kev. Oo.
story,
Thank
Kevin. And one thing I could say for sure is support system means a lot. But in terms of your question of how you told other people or paano mas maging open about it, parang kasi nawawalan siya ng power once you bring it to light. Before, kaya rin ako nagtatago with my hats and my wigs and people didn't know. Kaya hindi nila alam kaya ako siya kinakahiya. Kaya ako, kumbaga, it was a weakness. Why would everybody have to know about my weakness? But the moment na ikaw yung magsabi na, yeah, meron akong alopecia. And then people would be like, what's alopecia? And then you
Exactly.
start informing them. Ito right now, I'm wearing a wig right now. But before, yung wig ko, dahil ayokong malaman ng mga tao na may alopecia, now it's just an accessory. And when people ask, nakawig ka ba? Yeah, I got it from Wigs Philippines by Heads.
Confidence.
Oo, may
Yeah, I love
confidence.
it.
Iba kasi yun sa, meron akong alopecia eh. And then you face it na parang hiyang-hiya
May
ka.
shame.
Ganun ka din tatratuhin ng mga tao na, ay, kawawa ka naman, may alopecia. Pero if you're able to say, yeah, I have this hair loss condition, it's called alopecia.
Yeah, hindi ka
Nothing
naman
wrong
mahawa.
There's
with
nothing wrong with it.
Yeah, and then you would be surprised by how kumbaga curious and interested they are to know more about your story, and then magiging ally mo sila through your journey. So maybe start with the little circle
Support
that you
group,
have,
yeah,
your
tama,
support
right.
system. Kasi moving forward, sila yung mga kakampi mo sa pinagdadaanan mo. There you go.
Embrace it.
Yeah.
Sometimes it
Embrace
just
it.
takes telling the right people, one or two
Yeah.
people first, and diba, have that support system already before you move forward. Kaya ako kalbo for the longest time. Do you remember? I was Boys Night Out, diba?
You had
From-
alopecia
Two-
also.
Yeah, 2007. Patches. So meron bigla akong may parang poke na dito na parang piso, 2 pesos. Tapos weird talaga siya tignan. Diba? Kasi nakakap din ako lagi akong konting grupo. Talaga skinhead. Diba? It was like, my hair was like that for what? Parang 14... Ay,
Oo.
di matagal. Matagal. I
Tsaka
don't know.
misconception yung iba kasi sasabihin, lalaki naman, nagkakalbo naman, normal lang yan. But it's a misconception because, syempre, you wake up one day and then you have a patch or your hair is falling out. That affects you mentally
Of
and
course, yeah.
psychologically.
Your confidence and everything. But it happens, and it's like I said, it's hindi naman siya nakakahawa and everything.
Mm.
you
And
don't
there's
have to
nothing
deal.
wrong with it.
There's nothing wrong.
Lalo kung kaya mo
Absolutely
magmomol ng
nothing wrong.
brain.
Imomol mo brain niya.
Ano kung may alopecia, be?
Pag namomol mo yung brain,
Diba?
kaya mo yun?
Oo.
diba?
Tsaka yung
Nothing wrong
coming
with
out
it.
mo sa podcast.
Yes.
That's also
Yes.
great.
That's
Yeah,
very
thanks,
Proud of
Kevin.
you, Kevin.
We're
Big
proud of you. Let's give
hugs.
Kevin
Thank you,
a-
Kevin.
Anybody else on this side? Oh. Questions,
Oo,
moving on.
questions.
May gusto kayo iwan, gusto
Or
kayo saktan,
advice.
ganun.
Gusto nyo magpaturo paano yung pag-brain ng momol. Ay, pag-momol ng
Oh, last.
brain, sorry.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Hi,
Hi,
Name and from where?
I'm Jade from QC.
You were also
Yeah.
part of our
Yes,
last
yes,
recording.
yes.
Yeah, I
First
remember.
recording.
Solid listener yan.
Correct.
Solid listener ever since.
Thank
So
you.
my question is to Miss G. So you were talking about earlier about how you were moving forward towards your relationship, from your relationship. So my question is, do you believe, number one, in you would still be able to rediscover yourself even at your current age? Then number two, how would you start over again or win again for yourself?
Win again? Sorry? Win again?
Win, yeah.
Okay.
The process of getting yourself back, of winning again, winning yourself back for that matter.
Winning my muchness. Siguro thank you for the question. Siguro sa akin, we would always have this conversation ni Abby. I think a little self-positive talk will always help.
Mhm.
Kasi at the end of the day, ikaw lang naman yung magtatayo sa sarili mo.
Agree.
Physically, of course, like I'm working my relationship with God to get stronger. Pero at the end of the day, I would always repeat this to myself, and I think this is very essential for me to really move forward. It's a little mantra I to myself na I am the strongest woman I know. I will have inspirations. I will have my mother to look up to. I will have my friends that I will admire, and figures in literature and videos that I will watch. Pero I know that I am the strongest woman I know in my story. Kasi there's so many times na nasa sahig ako, literal, na I can't get myself up off the floor in the bathroom. And I realized, yes, magpe-pray ako kay God. Yes, I will try to reach out to people. But at the end of the day, physically, sino yung tatayo? Physically, who will get yourself out of that? It's me eh. So you have to believe in yourself enough to know that everything will be okay. Everything will, kumbaga parang work out, but also giving you a stronger spine. Kumbaga, if there are things na nawala yung boundaries mo, if there are things that made you lose who you are, you end up saying yes to things you wanted to say no to, or pretend that there are things that are fine when they're really not. Parang at the end of everything, if ma-discover mo na, hindi, hanggang dito lang yung boundary, hanggang dito lang yung kakayanin, then I think it doable yung pag-start over. Kasi siya eh, alam mo na what are the things that you won't tolerate. You will not live through again. And even if, for example, kumbaga parang overhaul pagbubungkal ng buhay. So if you could, like I said kanina, ang phase ko ngayon is to fully accept first what you're in. Once you fully accept that, you also see the strength of what you have sa sarili mo and the support system and your relationship with God. Parang feeling ko you have the right mix and ingredients para maka-move forward ka. Walang formula. Walang formula.
Ikaw lang makakaalam nun.
Iba. Pero at the end of the day, you are the strongest person you know.
Amen.
I love
Yun.
it.
Ganda.
Thank you. Thanks, G. And thank you to everybody who joined us for our live recording. Abby G, thank you so much. Of course, check out their podcast, Say What. On that note,
Invite them muna. Your podcast, of course.
Okay, watch out, of course, your favorite podcast of your Tita Besties, Say What? Say What? Yan. So it's every Saturday, 7 p.m. nagre-release kami. Episodes, yes, on Spotify and YouTube. Ayan. And of course, follow
social media, yeah.
Follow us on our social medias. Also, can I promote a show?
Of course.
Yeah, I have a show now. It's called House of Lies in GMA. So ako yung best friend ni Beauty Gonzalez, and we're nearing the penultimate of the show. I-search nyo na lang kung ano yun. Hindi ko rin alam eh. The pinnacle of the show. Ayan, so please support.
Yeah, ako naman, please follow me on my social media accounts. It's at Abby Asistio. And I have a new song out about finally leaving a toxic relationship. Sana po ay pakinggan niyo. Ang title ay Grabe Ka Naman Saktan. So, ang tagline ng song is...
Can we hear a few lines from the song?
Sige.
Yung sakit,
Kahit chorus
yung masakit,
lang,
yung chorus.
Sige. Nahulog ka na naman, nagbubulag-bulagan sa masalimuot mong kalagayan. Hanggang kailan hahayaang ika'y binabale, wala lang niya dyan. Kay saklap, mahal mo nga, grabe ka naman saktan.
Oh, so much feels. Kahit wala akong pinagdadaanan, ba't ganon?
Bili nga
Grabe
tayong
ka,
Band-Aid.
Abby. Grabe
Band-Aid
ka.
na ba yung Band-Aid?
Nasa Spotify na yan.
Yes, it's on Spotify, Apple Music, and all digital stores worldwide.
Thank you so much, girls. Feeling ko dapat meron tong part 3, part 4, part
pero
5
we've been
ng guesting
running
nyo.
We had so much fun.
super overtime.
We had
So much fun
Salamat, salamat.
also.
Thank you for being
Thank
such
you,
good
girls.
Once again, my name is Sam YG.
And this is Chacha.
This has been Lecheng Pag-ibig. Thank you guys so much. Be safe, be good.
Bye!